tree roots growing. Go ahead and locate the problem. Customer is experiencing a lot of major blockages inside the main line due to root intrusion. So we're gonna dig it up and install clean out. So this is where it's broken. We're gonna dig up this square, get to the blockage. Try to see if we can poke a little hole in there so all the water can go out. That's how it grows in. And every 4 feet there's joints like that where the roots grow in from. But the line's pretty cleared up until this point. Nothing's going through there.
It's just amazing.
So as you can see, this was the issue. There's heavy root intrusion growing inside the clay pipe. Yeah, you seen that big root right there? The little root like this, once the water gets to it, grows. Sewer's kind of like fertilizer to them.